Hello people, in this video I'll show you how to make this smart garage door using Arduino that automatically opens and closes the door after authentication. To build this project I used Arduino Uno, IR sensor, LCD with I2C, micro servo, piece of cardboard and few 3D printed parts. I have given links to all of the STL files in the description box below. To begin with, install this 3D printed servo slider mechanism and then we can proceed with building the circuit. Refer this circuit diagram to build the circuit connections. After the circuit is ready, upload this Arduino program and test the circuit. I want to thank JLC PCB for sponsoring this project. Check their website for affordable PCB and 3D printing services with very fast shipping. They have JLC1 application with the help of which you can easily order, track and manage your orders in one interface. They have desktop and mobile application also. Check the pinned comment to avail sign up bonus. Now back to the video. I will assemble all the electronics in this piece of cardboard. Use hot glue and super glue wherever necessary. For the automatic gate mechanism, follow these steps. After you assemble all the parts, you can check the working. So, how does this work? Once you connect the power, the LCD shows welcome message. Now, once you place your hand or any obstacle in front of IR sensor for 3 seconds, the gate opens automatically. And holds there for some time and then closes by itself. This was all about this project. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.